In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to customize your Shopify store using the Focal theme. I will walk you through everything so that you can easily follow along and set up your store. Let's get started. So, first thing that you can do is you can head over and sign up on Shopify. So, we have a link on the description below that can actually offer you $1 for 3 months of usage for the Shopify store. So, head over there and you can find it. Once you have signed up using the link, you can now create a store. Head over and click onto this Create Store option. And then from in there, this will prompt you to actually answer some questions. So you can choose in here which you want to do to actual Shopify. I'll choose in here an online store and click on Next. For this one, I'll choose New Business Idea and then choose in here which we want to sell. For example, for this case, I'll choose in here this digital products and click on Next. Now in here, you can see the best plan, which is actually the dollar that I actually talked to you about. You can just try the actual product or plan right here. And in here, they have dollar per month for only 3 months. Head over and then choose in here your plan that you want. Now in here, this will actually create your store for you. Now, just a heads up, the Vocal Shopify theme is ideal for luxury and premium brands with content rich businesses and high volume stores that emphasize visual storytelling and brand narratives. So, an example for this is the website of luxury brands that we can see online. So, for this case, just head over and manage the products that you want to actually do. For example, first head over to online store. And then from in here, you should be able to see in here the themes that you have right now. So on some cases, we have Dawn theme, and on some cases, we have Horizon. So right now, we have the Dawn theme. What we can do in order to change it to Focal is to scroll down. And then for this case, you can head over and click onto this Visit Theme Store. Once you have clicked on it, you will be redirected to the Theme Store of Shopify. Head over and click onto the search bar and search in here for Focal. You can find right here the Focal theme, so make sure to click on that. Now, as you can see, the Focal theme is around $320, but they have an unlimited free trial. You will only pay this once you have published this theme directly. So for this case, as you can see, they have a lot of positive reviews. So in this, head over and click on the this try theme, and then this will add this theme trial to your online store themes list. As you can see, we have successfully added Focal, and you can find them right here. As of right now, it's only a theme trial, and once you have successfully bought it, you can now publish it. For now, let's try to customize the Focal theme. So once you have clicked on the Customize button, it will open the Shopify editor. As you can see right here, they have some elements that actually screams luxury. They also have a pop-up options. You can see some privacy banners as well. You can see the header group, the overlay group, and also some templates like slideshows, featured collections, and the likes. So on this case, you can head over and then edit some parts of this based on your liking. Edit this, I'll head over and click on the this theme settings right here. You can change the actual appearance as well as the color, typography, currency format, as well as animations, product screen, cart, and the likes. So since Vocal Shopify theme is ideal for luxury, we just need to make something that actually screams storytelling. So in this case, you can edit in here the colors. We need to make it subtle and also not so vulgar in a way. You can change in here the colors of the products, your homepage, your footer, your header, as well as the general. In this case, let's head over and choose cream for the background. So let's head over and choose something like that. It will be added in here, and you can also choose a secondary background. Do take note that even though you edit it on the actual theme settings, you can also edit it one by one on each element. So in here, you can change some colors into your actual theme settings, such as star rating, and also we can also edit typography based on this. We have in here the actual font for our actual brand. You can click on this right here and change or select a font that you want to use. So in this case, we're aiming for something that is storybook like. So I'll have been choosing here this bitter. Click on select in order to save it. And you can choose in here the size for the headings, header style, as well as the actual body text for this. So we also have animations, so you can reveal some animations based on this one as well. Now let's head back into our sections. So in here we have the announcement bar, so you can head over and click on this. As you can see, the background is not really giving a good energy, so you can click on this background option and you can change it depending on what you want. I'll choose something like blue, and this looks like this right now. You can also change the color of the text as well as the color of the button background that we have on this announcement bar. Now that we have this, next thing we need to do is edit our actual header. So into our header, we can click on this, and as you can see, we have this logo. So our logo right now is just a text of my store. So on default, any Shopify store that you create will be named My Store once you have created it. For this case, let's head over and change that into something else. So for this particular task, I actually recommend you to use Canva. You can go and sign up into our link below on the description, and you can get a lot of deals and discounts into the Canva Pro. So once you have signed up with your link, you can just head over and click onto the search option and search in here for logo. We have in here some templates that we can choose from. For example, right here, let's choose in here this color studio theme. Let's click on this customize this template, and you can just edit your actual logo using the elements provided into this. So in here we have this as the actual logo, and for the second page we have the colors as well as the letters that we can utilize just like this. So the name of the store is Tiara Luxury, so I'll input right here something like TL. Let me head over and edit that. So I have created this logo using the letters provided right here. It actually looks like this now. You can also click onto them and you can edit them as well. Now for this case, let's click on the share and click on this download, and let's download this first page. Click on the pages and let's just select this first logo and click on done. Then you can save this as a JPG or a PNG. Click on this download in order to download this particular logo that we have created. So you also have the option to change its background and also invert its colors. Once it's been successfully downloaded, you can head back right here to your focal theme, then select in here the logo that you want. So for this case, head over and let's select an image that will replace this. Click on upload image, and then after that, choosing here the logo that we have just downloaded earlier and click on open. Now this will upload this right here, so just wait for this. Once it's uploaded, head over and click on it and click on done, and it should be able to be added right here as its logo. You can click on the image with right here in order to change its actual size. For example, let's make it around 50 pixels, and it will look like this now. So in here, we also have some parts of the actual slide. Like for example, this slideshow. You can also use Canva in order to edit this. You can just go to the search bar of your Canva and search in here for a banner. Once you have searched for a banner right here, you can find some templates that you can use in order to actually change the theme that we have. I'll head over and then select a random picture based on this. Let me head over and add some files. Once you have uploaded the image, just click on the check and click on done in order to add it right here. Now, once you're done editing your actual website, you can head over and click onto this save option that we can see right here in order to save all of the changes that you have made so far. Once it's been saved, you can head back right here to your actual Shopify and then go over right here to the products option. So since this will be a store, you need to head over and add some products. So you can either add a product one by one, or you can also import using formatted CSV file or import from another platform. For this case, just choose which one you want. So you can also utilize product research tools like Minea for this case. So in order to use Minea, you can head over to our description below in order to click on the link there and get a good discount on the free trial of Minea. As you can see, Minea has an ad spy that can spy Facebook ads, Pinterest ads, as well as TikTok ads in order to get the most winning product in order to add it to your actual store. You can head over and then sign up using our link below, and you should be able to have it added. Once you have it, you can actually click onto this add product and then source the product from there, or you can also use some other tools like drop shipping tools as well for this case. So for drop shipping tools, you can click onto this add apps option. And in here are some options like this Zopi as product sourcing app, as well as top marketing options right here. So if you want to drop ship, you can head over and install Zopi right here. Just wait for this to be installed into your actual Shopify. Now, we also have on our description below a link for a free trial of Zopi, so you can also do that and connect your store to Shopify using this way. Using Zopi can actually help you create product research and product sourcing. You can find right here trendy products and add them to your import list, or you can also click on this push all to store in order to add them to your actual store. So in here, you can click onto this find product option, and you can find in here some product based on search results. So for example, you can click onto this search bar and input right here some links from AliExpress and the likes. And you can also just click on a separate product like this one. You can import it or continue to click onto this push in order to push this product. Click onto this push to store, and you should be able to see in here the progress bar for the pushing of products. So in here, as you can see, it's currently processing right now. And as you can see, it actually steadily adding it. And once it's all been added, you can now find them under the products of your store. So head over and click on the this products option. And from in there, it should be able to appear right here now. And you can find them as well to your store already onto the site. Now, speaking of the site, you can head over to your settings right here and you can further customize your store. Head over right here to the domains option. And from in there, as you have noticed, our current domain is a mix of letters and numbers, which are actually not good to the eye. So what we can do in this case is we can personalize it using our brand. To do that, you can connect an existing domain or buy a new domain. For this particular part, I actually recommend you to use Namecheap. This is what Namecheap looks like. Now in here, you can just click on the search bar and type in here the actual domain name that you want to use. Once you have typed it, click on the search option, and then in here it will give you some suggestions of what name as well as domain extensions to use. As you can see, this is not available anymore, but you can use as well some other options like .net, .ai, .inc, .online, and the likes. So for this case, just choose which one you want. Click on add to cart. And you can utilize our link on the description below in order to get exclusive discounts on Namecheap. We have partnered with them for you to actually get the most out of this domain hosting platform. So click on this checkout option. And once you have successfully checked out that particular domain, you can connect them to your Shopify by clicking on the disconnect existing domain and inputting right here the domain that you have purchased just earlier. So after that, click on the this next. And from in there, you can now connect this existing domain to your actual Shopify store, and you have now personalized it. So that's all for now about our focal Shopify customization. So I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you do, don't hesitate to comment like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video helped you out with everything that you need to know with this particular theme. Thank you so much for watching.